Hello. Stuppy the Archer is back with another video, and first I want to ask you the question. The question is, do you have a bucket list of the bows you want to try? If yes, please tell me which bows are there, which kind of companies or which kind of models would you like to try in the future. I'm for sure missing a couple of on my bucket list. One of them is also Bear Takedown, and couple of Hoyts, couple of other bows that I would really like to try. But today I wanted to talk to you about the bow what I can cross off my bucket list, because I got myself Bear G62. Bear G62, which is Bear Grizzly, made with modern materials, as the Grizzlies were in the 50s, end of 50s, start of the 60s. 62 inches, as the name says, and they are really nice bows. They have that famous I-beam construction Bear always talks about, with the Chechen and with Jadoba. Hard rock maple in the limbs, clear glass over them, black overlays in front, and the black tips. The black tips, some people don't like this high contrast situation. I'm quite pleased with it. I think it works design wise, or like looks are, in my opinion, nice. You have that like really light color of the maple, cherry, rosewood, darker shades of brown in the middle, and then that high contrast, which works very well if you ask me. There's people who are not crazy about it. I believe I heard more negative about this design than positive, but still, to each his own. I believe we need to choose equipment what we would really like. The Bear advertised this bow as the bow which is accurate at any draw length. I am really accurate at it. It doesn't stack. I need to say I do have the lowest poundage model on the market, which is 35 inches, but I will be measuring the poundage to tell you correct poundage when I make a review about it. The thing is, this bow is extremely comfortable, doesn't stack at all. I cannot feel from 26 till 31 and a half or 31. You do not feel any difference in pulling process, which is really good for your accuracy. And I shoot it just right now to test it a little bit. 3 under works beautiful. Bow is still smooth and even quiet. Almost same as a split finger quiet. So I'm really pleased with it. I'm shooting is Eastern Legacy 400 spine, and I have 200 up front. The overall length of the carbon shaft is, I believe, 32 inches. So, what else can I say? I'm really happy that I got this bow. I'm really happy that I could exchange some equipment, sell some equipment, and get myself this one, because they're not common in my area, so it's not an everyday purchase. And I can cross off one beautiful bow which is on my bucket list. So yeah, as always, in those little previews or first impressions about the bow, I will take a couple of shots, tell you a little bit something about it, and I will finish up this video till the next time when I make in-depth review for you guys, so you can decide if you want to buy this bow or not. But first thoughts we will do now. So let's shoot a little bit. So as you can see, I have a little 3D target, and I'm pretty yeah, that's maybe like 15 yards or something. Nothing spectacular, but I'm trying to get this bow ready to see if I can shorten this end distance for some tournaments, so that my end distance or my point on distance is like around 30-35 yards, which would be perfect. So yeah, let's shoot. It's just so smooth. I really like it. I'm really careful because I do not want to get way too excited, because this is kind of a dream bow of mine. So I'm trying really to stay like to contain my excitement and tell you really what I think about it. That was a little high, doesn't matter. But the smoothness is the end fairly quick. So it's smooth, but it doesn't compromise on the quickness as well. Not the best group. It is quite smooth bow. I have huge draw length, as you all know, or some of you know. So if I feel comfortable, most of the archers will be feeling comfortable on the back end of this bow. And that was really good. So yeah, this would be first look on of this beautiful bow. I will be, of course, taking it in the woods, shooting thousands and thousands of arrows through it. I did probably shoot already 1,000 through it, but my main bow, what I show now, is my Bear Montana, which I'm reviewing right now. So let's first finish up the review of the Bear Montana, because it's a beautiful American flat bow, long bow, call it as you want. And after that I will be starting with a review of this bow, which will be in depth, because I try really to get all of the points and test it in every situation. So yeah, thank you for watching. I will still shoot a little bit this beautiful day, so I hope you have a nice weather and that you're enjoying archery and your equipment. So see you in the next one.